Good morning. I packed my stuff. I'm ready to go to the beach. It's 1 p.m. at the moment, and before I go, I want to show you a little bit more of the hostel, because someone asked me to explain a little bit more about the hostel and how big it is, and I don't know. So I'll just try to explain a little bit more about where I am and how it is to live in a hostel, because I think that's maybe interesting. So this is just a 3-dorm bedroom, and that's a small room. So normally you are with, well, you can be with like 6 or 8 or 10, sometimes even 14 or 16 in one room. So yeah, this is quite small for a hostel room. And I'll show you the rest as well. Let's go. Alright, so this is one level and it's quite big already. And you got, in this hostel you got male and female bathrooms, which are really big. And then I think there are like 10 levels in this hostel. It feels more like a hotel, like a budget hotel. I guess that's what a hostel is doing. Let's take the lift to the ground floor. So you got the reception over here on level 3 together with where I cook. And breakfast is there as well, and then they got a bar on level 1. So it's quite big, like all levels have several rooms, so it's quite big and it's quite a big hostel. And you can just get in here with your pass. You can get out and get in until, what is it, 8 p.m. or something? Or 10 p.m. And then you need your pass over there. And then you're outside in the middle of the center. Summer hostel's in the middle of the center, which is really nice, and it's next to the station, and you got the trams to move around in the city as well. And I'm gonna catch the train to the beach, therefore you need another card. So I'm in another part of the country, so you have Queensland, New South Wales, and now Victoria, and another card. So with that card, with money on that card, I can go to other places, so that's what I'm gonna do. Wow, this is big. And cool. Where do I go? This is 10, I need to go to 13. Of course I need to go to the last station that exists over here. It's pretty cool, look. You can't see it properly because they're renovating it now. But it is pretty cool. I'm at Brighton Beach, and the thing I want to show you today, and what I want to see myself as well, is the Brighton bathing boxes. It looks really cool on the internet with photos, and from here it's like a 10-minute walk. So I took the train to Brighton Beach station, and this is the beach, but I want to see those boxes. And I just saw on the internet that one of those bathing boxes is sold in December last year, 2017, for $330,000. Just to have like those boxes on this beach where you can put your stuff in, you know? It must be really cool to have one, so let's see. The weather is pretty good today. It shows a really good day to go here. It's a little bit windy, but it's quite warm, so the wind's nice. And I really like that view over there with the sea and then with the city on the back. It's a pretty nice place over here. Cool. There they are. So there are 85 boxes, and they look really cool with all those different colors and stuff. $330,000. Wouldn't pay that for that. I would buy a whole house. Let's have a closer look. I've been on the beach for like, what is it? 2 hours maybe? Go away. And now I'm on my way home, walking to the station. Makes you tired lying on the beach in the sun. Well, it's not really sunny, but you know what I mean. I'm already thinking, what am I gonna eat tonight? The struggle of every day. I still have sausages, I have a potato, I have bacon, and yogurt. I guess everyone's going back from work. Sometimes I forget that other people go to work while I'm traveling. Is that weird? I don't know. So everyone's just going home and like, oh yeah, people still go to work and go home from work. Let's go to my room, drop my stuff, and then make dinner. Bought some Caesar salad, so that's cool. Alright, totally ready, some makeup on, had a shower, blah blah blah. As you can see, it's dark outside, so it's time to go to the fire show thing. Let's have a look. I don't know where it is. I have really no idea. I'm trying to find out. Because I filmed it the other day from up at the bar. So I'm trying to find out where that is along the river because it's only... But I think I know where it is. And it's starting in 2 minutes, so it better be that place. Yeah, because I think I was in that bar the other day. I'm not sure. The blue one over there. And on my video recording, I saw a crown. That's the only point that I have. A crown. I found it. That sucks because now I'm too late. Which means I have to wait another hour to film this. Yay. Can you see it? It's over there. See? So that is what I want to film, but where shall I stand to see that? I have to wait another hour anyway, so how would the thing? Shit. Oops. Yeah, so the reason I knew that was that place, oh my gosh, that is cool, is because of that Crown Hotel. So if you ever come here and you want to see it, look for the hotel with the crown, and then you're at the right place. But be there in time, because otherwise you just hear the fire. So what I always do if I want something that's not water, and I want to treat myself but I don't want it to be expensive, then I go to the 7-Eleven, which is this shop, and I get a Slurpee, which is $1, and I put all the flavors together. That's my treat, $1, and I'm enjoying it. God, this is scary. Yeah. Why am I doing this? Oh, I can see it. I wasn't scared. That was a great evening. I think it's 12:30 already. And I'm just heading back to my hostel now. And I'm gonna go to sleep because tomorrow I'm gonna go do a tour of a series called Neighbours. And you probably all don't know about that series, but I do. And for me it's probably nice because I recognize some parts. You won't recognize it, but I think it's nice to see backstage, isn't it? I hope so. I hope it's interesting for you as well. I'm gonna film it and I'll just see. And yeah, with that I want to say thank you for watching my vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!